Bmw X6 Motor Vehicle. The Bmw X6 is a mid-size luxury crossover SUV by German automaker BMW. The Bmw X6 is the originator of the sports activity coupe, referencing its sloping rear roof design. It combines the attributes of an SUV with the stance of a coupe. It is built in BMW's North American plant in Greer, South Carolina, alongside the BMW X5, whose platform it shares. Prior to the release of the X7, the X6 was considered a flagship SUV for BMW. Quick facts overview. Manufacturer. The first generation was released for sale in April 2008 for the 2008 model year, while the second generation X6 was launched at the Paris Motor Show in 2014. The third generation X6 was revealed in July 2019. BMW Concept X6. 2007 BMW Concept X6. The concept model debuted at the 2007 Frankfurt Auto Show, and the production X6 officially debuted at the 2008 North American International Auto Show in Detroit and Montreal International Auto Show. While slightly longer and wider than the X5, it is significantly lower, and seated initially only 4, and since 2011, optionally 5. First generation. Quick facts. First generation. Overview. BMW X6 XDRIV E35D. E71 development began in 2003 under Peter Tuenemann, after start of E70X5 development in 2001. Design work by E70X5 designer Pierre Leclerc was frozen in 2005, with test mules being run from the summer of 2005 and prototypes being tested from late 2006. Production began on December 3, 2007. Interior. The X6 marks BMW's first use of its new dynamic performance control system, which works in unison with Drive all-wheel drive, both being standard on the X6. DPC is a drivetrain and chassis control system that works to regulate traction and especially correct over and understeer by actively spreading out drive forces across the rear axle. Torque is distributed, not only between the front and rear wheels, but also from side to side at the rear, for improved agility and added stability. This lateral distribution of torque is commonly known as torque vectoring. The DPC differential features clutch packs on both output sides that are actuated by an electric motor. The clutch pack activates a planetary gearset which causes one wheel to be overdriven. A conventional control system will use the brakes to reduce the speed of the faster-moving wheel and reduce engine power. This leads to increased brake wear and slower than optimal progress. The DPC system speeds up the slower-moving wheel in order to maintain stability when needed. For example, while turning, the outer wheel is overdriven to provide greater acceleration using the traction advantage through the dynamic loading of the outboard wheel in cornering. In an oversteer situation, the inner wheel is overdriven to regain traction balance. BMW X6M. In April 2009, the X6M version was announced, with a 408 kW version of the BMW S63 4.4-litre twin-turbo V8 engine. The BMW X6M and X5M are the first vehicles from BMW GmbH to have Drive all-wheel drive system and automatic transmissions, and are also crossovers as opposed to passenger cars. The X6M was unveiled at the 2009 New York Auto Show and first went on sale in September 2009. BMW X6M. The high-performance M derivative features a twin-scroll twin-turbo version of the 4.4-litre V8 BMW S63 engine with the cylinder bank comprehensive manifold. The engine is rated 408 kilowatts at 6,000 rpm and 677 Nm at 5,650 rpm. Other features include 6-speed M Sports automatic transmission with aluminum pull-style paddles on the steering wheel, M dynamic mode feature, 10 lower adaptive drive suspension, 4-piston fixed calipers with 15.6 rotor at front, and single-piston floating calipers with 15.2 rotor at rear. 20-inch alloy wheels with 275/40 R20 front and 315/35 R20 round flat tires. Hill descent control, dynamic stability control, special grills in the front fenders, 20-inch light alloy wheels. The car can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds and 0-62 miles per hour in 4.7 seconds. Active Hybrid X6. BMW X6 Active Hybrid. BMW Concept X6 Active Hybrid. The BMW Concept X6 Active Hybrid is the concept vehicle of BMW's first full hybrid vehicle, and was revealed at the Internationale Automobile Ausstellung Frankfurt in September 2007. BMW's first mild hybrid BMW Concept 7 Series Active Hybrid Generation 1 was revealed at the Paris Motor Show in October 2008. Both cars made their market debuts at the end of 2009, and the X6 Hybrid can drive in pure electrical mode at low speeds. The Active Hybrid 7 Generation 1 does not have this ability. The BMW Concept X6 Active Hybrid uses the V8 twin-turbo with high-precision injection that powers the BMW X6 XDRI VE50i. A defining feature of the BMW Concept X6 Active Hybrid is its two-mode active transmission, an innovative technology that controls the interplay of the electrical motors and the internal combustion engine. The car can operate in two modes. Mode 1 delivers high torque when pulling away from a standing start and at low speeds, while Mode 2 is suited for higher speeds. The result is that the car always uses the available power resources in the most efficient possible way, whatever speed it is traveling at. The Active Hybrid X6 made its world premiere at the Frankfurt Motor Show in September 2009. In late 2009, BMW introduced an X6 featuring a version of the Global Hybrid Cooperation hybrid vehicle drivetrain, popularly known as the two-mode hybrid system. This car was confirmed as being called the BMW Active Hybrid X6, and it is the world's most powerful hybrid vehicle. It is not sold in the UK. The production vehicle was unveiled alongside a 7 Series hybrid at the 2009 Frankfurt Motor Show. The Active Hybrid X6 went on sale in December 2009 in the US market with a base price of